Ever since installing Amazon's Assistant in my car, I just can't get her to shut up. I asked my wife how to turn her off. She suggested I drive naked.
Sorry, I don't know that.
Can you guess what today's product is? Keep watching and we'll let you know. Hi, my name's Gary, and this is my buddy Matt. We're Review to You. We review all the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of the video how you can enter the drawing to get this product. So stay tuned. Hey Alexa, what product are we reviewing today?
My name is Alexa, and I'm here to say I'm the baddest AI in the cloud today. Your responses are fast, but mine are faster. Sucker speech engines, they call me master.
Well, just like Alexa said, it's the Echo Auto. For many of us, adding smart home assistants and speakers has changed our lives for the better. Alexa, find Chuck Norris.
If Chuck Norris wants you to know where he is, he'll find you. If he doesn't, you won't know until it's too late.
But for some people, being tracked, monitored, and spied upon only in their homes isn't enough. There's one place that up until now, big tech hasn't been able to get its listening ears into, and that's our cars. Well, that's all changed now. The Echo Auto is just like your standard Echo Dot, but with a few key differences. They both cost $50 and both sync seamlessly with your home's Amazon Alexa profile. The Echo Auto, however, has no Wi-Fi. Instead, relies on your smartphone's cellular network and a Bluetooth connection in order to contact the internet. Out of the box, the first thing you'll notice is how thin and discreet the entire unit is. It's about the same size as an old cassette tape, something that hasn't been in cars for decades. On one side, you'll find a 3.5 millimeter audio jack for plugging in either headphones or an aux cord to your car's sound system, and a micro USB port for charging. The top of the unit features an 8-microphone array that claims to be able to perform both noise cancellation and to pick up your voice from any angle within the car, even over screaming kids and noisy traffic. Also featured is a mute button and an action button, which allows you to perform certain connection actions when needed. The underside of the Echo Auto includes a clip for mounting the unit on the car's air conditioning vents, allowing a sturdy and central positioning. Once it's all connected and configured through the Alexa app, you're ready to go. A whole world of hands-free help has just opened up on the open road. So, what do we like about the Echo Auto?
Alexa, play the news.
The integration with Amazon's news, weather, and navigation services are so useful to have hands-free. Forget fumbling through the AM FM dials or punching in an address on your smartphone. And I love being able to voice command my favorite song to play over the radio without reaching for my phone.
Alexa, set all the thermostats in my house to 72 degrees.
There's also some cool options around managing your smart home while you're on your way home. Hot day outside? Tell Alexa to turn on the house's AC just in time for you to get home. Don't want to walk into a dark house? Ask Alexa to turn on your lights to welcome you back. So, what's the downside? The Echo Auto does have a few limitations when compared to other alternatives on the market. Firstly, there is support, but not the greatest for Google Maps, and any navigation request you make while driving is pushed as a notification to your smartphone, forcing you to reach for your phone while you're driving. And despite the overabundance of microphones, the Echo Auto did struggle to understand commands while windows were down and in heavy traffic. A second or third attempt at higher volumes was usually enough to register. So, what's the verdict? This is a tricky one, mainly because while it does what's advertised, so do a million other products with arguably better results. But at the end of the day, the Echo Auto is still a revolutionary kind of technology. We give it a rating of 4 out of 5 stars. While it's designed for the car, they haven't yet got the tech perfect. And with a little development, the next generation of the Echo Auto will be amazing. And the Echo Auto could be yours. We'll be giving it away to one lucky subscriber. To be in the drawing to win this amazing product, the rules are very simple. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment in this video with the hidden hashtag from today's review. That's it. I hope you were paying attention, but just in case you missed it the first time, you can always go back and watch again. Well, then select someone at random and announce the winner exactly a week from now. Good luck. If you liked what you saw today and you can't wait to see if you've won, we've included our purchase link in the description below. This has been Review to You, where we review and give to you for free. From Matt and Gary, see you guys next time.